I think it's a privilege to call yourself a Scientologist, and it's something that you have to earn. It is the time now. Now is the time, okay? It is, being a Scientologist, people are turning to you, so you better know it.
What is it Tom Cruise is so passionate about? It all starts with this man, L. Ron Hubbard.
Born Lafayette Ronald Hubbard on March 13, 1911 in Tilden, Nebraska, Hubbard traveled the world as a child due to his father's naval profession.
Fast forward 30 years, and Hubbard found himself battling ulcers while fighting in World War II. The breakthrough of his brainchild, Dianetics, came to him while recovering from this battle. Dianetics simply explores what prevents people from being more joyful and ethical. It is the backbone of Scientology.
Due to cost and criticism from medical professionals, Dianetics struggled.
His book on Dianetics reached bestsellers lists, his idea received a stronger backing, and he built on this to set forth Scientology. The first church was set up in California in February of 1954 and spread throughout the U.S. and onto other English-speaking countries.
Duh. Winning.
And I'm feeling good.